The end of the school semester is here, and students are on the search for places to live. Some students insist on the privacy of their own apartment versus living in a dorm on campus.
I decided to live in an apartment because I don't have to check in with anybody. When you're in a dorm, I think you have to have people out by 12, and I'm at the age now I don't want to check in.
Some of the benefits of having your own apartment range from having your own kitchen to cook your own meals, your own living area to watch TV, study, or even just prop your legs up and relax. And even the privacy of your own bedroom after a long day of work or school.
Other issues that students consider is how well will apartment rent fit into their budget in comparison to living on campus.
The first thing is price. I'm a college student. I'm broke.
Mandatory meal plans are often a big deal breaker for students debating on whether or not to live on campus.
If those students utilize those meal plans, then it's kind of cheaper to live on campus versus just eating out every day at McDonald's. But if those students do not utilize those meal plans that they're forced to buy, then it's cheaper actually to live off campus.
Apartment living offers students different amenities such as a pool, workout center, and even study rooms. But most of all, the freedom to hang out with friends in the privacy of their own home. This is Janelle Walker with Hub City TV.